Oh boy.
We gotta go now. We only have a 30-second window. You know the plan.
Dudes?
What?
He jumped.
He jumped? All right, one for all. Wait, you don't have a shoot!
I don't need to shoot. I got my board! Oh, this is awesome! Ouch!
Gotcha! What would Vin Diesel do? No regrets, no fear!
Is he coming in kind of fast?
Did you know that IGN has a mobile app that gives you all the trailers you love right in the palm of your hands? It's fast, you can save for later, check your personalized feed, or see what the most popular trailers are. Download it now on the iOS or Android App Store.